Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll show you how to create a cartoon effect in Photoshop easily and in a real quick time. So let's get started. Okay, this is the image. First check the image size and make sure 2000 pixels in width or height for the better result. And now select the subject. You can use any selection tool like quick selection tool or pen tool, it's your choice. And now fix the edges if you need. So this is your subject, and now I want to put a background. So I select this. I think this is perfect. And select the both layer by pressing Ctrl and then convert it to Smart Object, and duplicate the layer twice by press Ctrl and G. And now rename the layer. First layer I am giving effect, and the second layer I am giving outline, and the third layer I am giving details. And now select the effect layer and hide the first two layers. Then go to filter and now filter gallery and go to artistic. Make sure you select poster edges. Select only poster edges and edge thickness 0, edge intensity 0 and posterization 2. Now press OK. Then again go to filter, sharpen, unsharp mask, and now I am giving amount 90, radius 5 and threshold 10. Now press OK, and then go to filter and oil paint filter. And I am giving 4 on stylization, 3 on cleanliness and 0.1 on scale and 0 for others. Now press OK. And now again go to filter, sharpen and unsharp marks. This time I am giving 60 here, radius 5 and threshold 5. Now press OK, and now active the second layer, go to filter gallery, then artistic and then select poster edges again, and I am giving here edge thickness 0, edge intensity 3 and posterization 6, and now press OK. Again go to filter and oil paint filter, and I am giving the exact value. Now press OK and change the blend mode to overlay and decrease the opacity around 25%, and now select the outline layer, then go to high pass and I'm giving 2 here and change the blend mode to vivid light and decrease the opacity a little bit. I think it looks really great, and now you can do some adjustment, like go to levels and you can play with the contrast and brightness here. I think this is fine. It looks good. And then go to vibrance and saturation adjustment layer, and I am giving 10 for vibrance and 5 for saturation. That's good. I want to decrease the highlights a little bit, so create a curves and bring this point a little bit down. I think this is fine, and in the end I am adding a color lockup. I am selecting these. Okay, that's good. Look at this before and after. So it's done. Let's make a group of all these and look at this before and after. It's a really easy and quickest way to make cartoon. If you like this video, hit the like button, leave your comments, and don't forget to subscribe.